Hey guys, welcome you all to the Manual Education channel. Guys, this is a very important video for all the law 3 years aspirants, those who are targeting the 2023 examination guys. As you all know that 15 days are remaining for your preparations, and if you want to target the top colleges like GLC and ILS Pune, then you have to really pull up your socks with your preparations guys. So how to proceed with these 15 days through your self-study, we will be looking in this video, so stay tuned. But before we move on, we have an important announcement to put forward that guys, if you're targeting for the year 2024 or 2025, we have launched our batches for the same. You can join a live class and online session. To join the live class and online session, you can contact our number 8828581455, or if you are looking for the classroom coaching, you can visit our centers Vasai, Dadar, Borivali or Thane, and we are soon coming up with a new center in Pune as well. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel Manual Law Entrance for all the specific videos related to law. Regardless of the batches you have joined, you will be provided with the video lectures, mock tests, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, mentorship strategies, and a lot more things guys. So what are you all waiting for? Just head to our numbers and book your seats right away. Now let me take you to the official website of Manual Education and guide you about the self-study program. Alright, so this is the official website manualedu.com. Click on buy online, click on law entrance. Scroll down. So you have to check all these tabs: full course, book study materials, mock test, and sectional courses. We'll start off with the first one. Click on full course, show package. Scroll down. So you have to check the third tab, MH Law CET 3 years 2023. Click on view details. So you get 300 video lectures, 90 handouts, and 133 mock tests in this. If you click on syllabus, you have to make sure you complete all the videos within the given time. If you go back, you can check out the books as well. Click on show package, scroll down. So you have to check the first tab, law 3 years books. This one is the hard copies of the books. If you want to order, you can simply click on add to cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days pan India level. Or else the best thing you can go for is the ebooks. Click on view details. You see you get reasoning, English, legal aptitude, and general studies in this. So you can prepare yourself through the ebooks. Or else you can check out the sectional courses you think you are weak in and you want to work on it. Click on show package. Scroll down. So you can check out the English, legal aptitude, GK and current affairs, verbal and critical reasoning, logical reasoning, elementary mathematics, or quant section. So you can check out, so you can pick any of the respective sectional course as per your convenience, and you can work on your weaker areas. And guys, the most important thing is the mock test. Give as many mock tests as possible before you go for your actual examination. So click on mock test, show package, scroll down. So you have to check the third tab, click on view details. You get 28 mock tests in this, out of which 8 is your sectional and 20 is your full length mock test. If you scroll down further, so you get 10 full length mock test as well. So you can pick any of these as per your convenience and start giving the mock test guys. Only 15 days are there. Make sure you give at least 2 mock tests a day, which makes 30 mock tests in your 15 days preparations, and you'll definitely be entering in either GLC or ILS Pune for your law career. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. All the respective links to the respective programs are in the description box. Kindly check the descriptions. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. Until then, see you in the next video.